welcome to the final episode of Season 0 of Deep Sea Dive. I just wanted to wrap up this season by sharing the Git repository that I've set up to store all the code that I presented in this series. I've created a repository called dcd_standardlib, which will be used for my implementation of the C standard library. Currently, the repo is quite small, but will grow with size as we progress through this series. So I set up a makefile and a readme.md file just to explain how you can create the static library file and how to actually use that within your own code. So you can see that here. There's only a few instructions detailed here, but this might grow over time. There are two directories. The include directory contains the header files that contain function prototypes and other definitions. So here I've used the convention that any C file or C object name that starts with an underscore should be treated as private and should not be used by users outside of this code base. So this _dcd_lib header file just contains some definitions that are going to be reused throughout this project and just keep them all within one place here. And then our dcd_ctype header file contains all the function prototypes that we discussed in the previous episodes for all the functions. The Src directory contains the source code files that contain the actual function definitions. So if we have a look here, we can see all the definitions that we discussed. The only difference being now that I've used this macro within that was defined in the _dcd_lib header file, just to simplify the code, as this pattern is reused throughout this code. That's everything for this season of Deep Sea Dive. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in Season 1.